Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. ITB 2026 took place from the 3rd to the 5th of March 2026 at the ITB Berlin exhibition grounds. This historic installment celebrated the 60th anniversary of ITB, one of the world's leading travel trade shows. ITB here, Mr. Speaker, says International Tourism Bus, which is in German, is an exchange. It was established 60 years ago, and I remember I did my first ITB 40 years ago. In numbers, this 3-day exhibition completely filled the venue, welcoming over 60 participating nations and territories, and nearly 97,000 travel visitors. 5,601 exhibitors represented, and 400 industry experts led sessions spanning 17 specialized theme tracks. Europe, Mr. Speaker, sir, remains an important high-value tourism market for Fiji. In 2025, European visitors accounted for approximately 5% of total arrivals, including 32,000 from continental Europe and more than 13,000 from the UK, demonstrating both the value and growth potential of this segment. For the first 4 months of 2026, Fiji received a record 10,697 European visitors, a record growth of 9%. Mr. Speaker, in terms of improving seamless air connectivity between Fiji and Europe, the Ministry is advancing the following measures. 1. Strengthening airline partnerships and code-share arrangements. Recognizing the geographic realities between Fiji and Europe, our strategy is to enhance connectivity through strategic airline partnerships and code-share agreements. As we speak, Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji Airways already has established arrangements that connect Fiji to Europe, including a code-share partnership with British Airways, enabling seamless connection between the United Kingdom and Fiji via global hub cities. Membership of the One World Alliance, which includes major European carriers such as British Airways, Finnair and Iberia, providing access to an extensive European network, and interline partnerships, including with airlines such as Etihad, offering access to multiple European destinations through Middle Eastern hubs. This approach leverages Fiji Airways' existing network to hubs such as Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, and the United States, enabling efficient one-stop connectivity into Europe. 2. Expanding air access through global aviation networks. Mr. Speaker, ITB Berlin enabled direct engagement with aviation partners to explore opportunities to increase access into Fiji, particularly from hubs that serve European markets. The government is working closely with Fiji Airways and its partner airlines to develop new cooperative and marketing arrangements with international carriers and explore opportunities for seasonal or charter services to support European travel demand. This aligns with a broader strategy of strengthening global network integration through code-sharing, alliances, and partnerships. 3. Targeted engagement with European tour operators and wholesalers. Mr. Speaker, a key outcome from ITB Berlin was the strengthening of relationships with leading European tour operators and travel distributors. Along with the Tourism Fiji Regional Office, I had the opportunity to meet trade press and trade partners. This could not be more timely, with Fiji officially removed from the European Union's list of non-cooperative jurisdictions for tax purposes. These partnerships are vital because tour operators help generate passenger demand, which underpins airline routes decisions, and integrated travel packages support more consistent passenger flows on long-haul services. By working directly with its partners, the Ministry is actively stimulating demand to support enhanced air connectivity, and 4. Promoting high-value tourism model to support route sustainability. Mr. Speaker, Fiji is pursuing a high-value, low-impact tourism model under the National Sustainable Tourism Framework. This is particularly important because European visitors tend to stay longer and spend more. In higher yield markets, improve the commercial viability of long-haul services. By attracting high-value travelers, Fiji strengthens the business case for airlines to expand services and deepen connectivity with our destination. Through our engagement at ITB Berlin 2026, We are building on existing airline partnerships, including European and global alliance carriers, strengthening Fiji's position within international aviation networks, driving demand through targeted tourism promotion, and positioning Fiji as a premium, sustainable destination. Together, these measures will progressively improve accessibility, convenience, and connectivity between Fiji and European markets, while laying the foundation for stronger long-haul links in the future. Mr. Speaker, I thank the honourable member.
I thank the Deputy Prime Minister, Honourable Gavoka, Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation.